Good, good afternoon, everybody. Shalom v'bruchim habayim. And by the way, David, I think we should conduct some of our ceremonies in Hebrew because we've got so many companies out of Israel. But some of you know my name is Asaf Homosani. I'm a managing director with Nasdaq. This afternoon, I'm thrilled to welcome Mazor Robotics, its CEO, Ori Adomi, and members of management and employees of the company to the Nasdaq market site, ring the closing bell, and celebrate, among other things, the unveiling of the Mazor X Surgical platform. I know I missed something there, but I'm sure they'll correct me afterwards. At this stage, I want to introduce your executive host for this afternoon, David Wicks. David, please.
Thanks, everyone, and good afternoon. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome Mazor Robotics and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Ori Adomi. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the Board of Directors, the management team, certainly all our distinguished guests. We have students here from Lafayette. Welcome, guys. You're going to hear about a great NASDAQ company, a true success story, one of entrepreneurship, innovation. Kind of crazy, right? But it's awesome. And we are truly excited that you could all join us right here at the Crossroads of the World in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Now, there's a lot to celebrate, and let me also start by recognizing that this year marks Mazor Robotics' 15-year anniversary since its founding. Obviously a significant milestone, one that we're certainly proud to recognize today, and I think deserves another round of applause. Congratulations. So founded in 2001 and incorporated in Israel, Mazor Robotics is engaged in the development, production, and marketing of medical devices for surgical procedures in the fields of orthopedics and neurosurgery. It offers Renaissance, a surgical robotic system to conduct spine surgeries with less radiation. And really, when we look at Mazor Robotics, we see the epitome of a true NASDAQ success story. The company listed on NASDAQ in August of 2013, and since listing, the company has truly been on a growth trajectory. Mazor Robotics ended the second quarter with an installed base of 122 Renaissance systems globally, including 74 right here in the US, which is the company's primary growth market. And just a few days ago, the company announced it had received purchase orders for 11 Renaissance systems in Q2, the second highest amount in their history. And certainly all of this has not been lost to the market, as the company has seen its share price rise by more than 100% since listing. Dr. Adomi, I know that this is definitely a team effort. I want to congratulate you and everyone at the company and all your past success. NASDAQ looks forward to supporting Mazor Robotics as you continue to grow, and more importantly, continue to innovate as a NASDAQ-listed company. And now it is my pleasure. Please join me in welcoming the CEO of Mazor Robotics, Dr. Ori Adomi.
This was probably the fastest way to get PhD. Thank you for that. So I want to say, first of all, on behalf of all of us, the Mazor Robotics employees, the teams in Israel, in the United States, in Asia, in Europe, on behalf of our board of directors, our shareholders, everyone who gave a hand to get us to this moment, I want to thank the staff of Nasdaq for hosting us in this wonderful event. We were founded with the mission to heal through innovation. And yesterday we unveiled the Mazor X, a transformative robotic technology that will change the way spine surgery is done. Being in today in the backbone of New York City, we couldn't find a better way to celebrate the unveiling of the Mazor X. Today's celebration and activities reflect the commitment of the entire team here in our labs, in our offices, all over the world, to realize the mission, to realize the vision, and I want to thank everyone who gave a hand and contributed to this moment. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So congratulations on the release of the Mazor X. I'm sure it's going to help patients around the world and congratulations on all that you're doing to improve the welfare and health of patients. I also want to put you on the spot, if I could. So we have a student group here from Lafayette. Any advice that you might give some students that are thinking of business, thinking of entrepreneurship? Any words of wisdom?
Don't be afraid from the challenges. There are no shortcuts. Be persistent, focus on the future, and work hard. There are no shortcuts and nothing easy, but the end is, not the end, the journey is so enjoyable, and seeing the progress is very rewarding.
Awesome. So, Ori, on behalf of everyone at Nasdaq, I'm so proud to present you, your team, your board, all your employees with our Nasdaq closing bell crystal.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.